Hey guys, my name's Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a very quick, loose, 3-minute carnation bouquet. Loose carnations are so much fun to paint. Simply move your brush in a zigzag motion. This can be vertically, horizontally, diagonally, etc. for the petals. Don't get hung up on the small details though. After you've painted the flower, don't forget to add darker paint in the center and at the base of the petals. This will add interest and variation. Carnation flowers usually come in as small bundles of approximately 5 or 6. They are semi-close together on long stalks of varying height. So the first thing I would suggest is painting the flowers. The easiest way to paint a carnation flower is to simplify it. Break it into 3 to 5 shapes that you can paint. So for example, the top left, the top right, the top middle, the bottom left, etc. Just don't get hung up on small details. After you've painted the flowers, paint the stems and then paint the stalks connecting them all together. Don't forget to make all the stalks come from one point at the bottom of the page, so make sure that they're all pointing from the same direction. I didn't paint anything else, but after this you can add some leaves or filler flowers. I think that baby's breath looks amazing with these flowers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if this video helped or inspired you, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and inspiration.